Hi students, welcome to week 2 in general psychology. I'm so glad that I had the chance to learn a little bit more about you last week. So thank you for posting in both the discussion question as well as filling out the student information questionnaire. Thank you for doing that. This week we will actually start getting into our chapter here. So chapter 1, that we'll cover this week is what is psychology. So this chapter will take us on the journey of defining psychology, talking about some of the major theorists that are associated with psychology, looking at the history of psychology, then moving into the idea of how empirical research is done and why psychology is a science, and then a little bit on careers in psychology. So I'm excited to bring this chapter to you guys. I want to point out here, you should see week 2 module on the screen, what we have coming this week. So remember that everything you need for the week is right here in the module. So you have the regular PowerPoint slides as well as narrated PowerPoint slides. So that can be found right here. I did a micro lecture on structuralism and functionalism. So structuralism and functionalism are two of the early paradigms of where psychology was born, if you will. And you have an assignment in Connect over structuralism and functionalism. So again, you'll hear about it if you listen to the narrated PowerPoint, but I wanted to do a focused lecture on those two topics. So you can find that micro lecture right here. And then as far as assignments of what you have this week is you have the structuralism and functionalism assignment that is in Connect. So you'll need Connect. Remember, I'm going to scroll back up here real quick. Remember, you can go right here to this McGraw-Hill Connect button and then just follow the prompts and it will get you set up in Connect. And that's where you'll find your ebook as well as some, not all, but some of your assignments for the rest of the semester will be in Connect. So I'm scrolling back here to week 2. So you'll click on this. It'll take you out into Connect. You'll complete the assignment. Make sure you come back in. And then you will have your chapter 1 quiz also in Connect, so to send you back out there. So that's what we have for this week. I hope you enjoy this introductory chapter to what is psychology. I will be working this week on creating a video that is going to explain your first semester project. We'll have 2 projects, the misconception refutation project as well as the DSM project. So both of those are what I consider honors assignments. And if you have had the opportunity to check out the Canvas site that's been set up for honors, please do so because it has valuable information in there that you need to know as an honors student. But additionally, it has information about the different structures or levels, if you will, for recognition as you get ready to graduate. So these assignments are a requirement of that structure. So more to come on those assignments. You should have seen them in the syllabus, but I just wanted to let you know I'll be rolling out a video on explaining the psychological misconception refutation project. Gosh, that's a mouthful. Very soon this next week. So I'm here just on the other side of the screen here. So if you have questions, you need support, you need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week and more to come soon.